Standard 6 Subject Science Lesson number 3 Diversity in Living Things and their Classification Part 2. In our previous video, we had studied about diversity in plants and the structure of a plant. Now, we'll start with need for classification of plants. Up to now, information about legs of plants has been collected. While studying the diversity in plants, they are classified for the sake of convenience. On the basis of the similarities and differences in their structure, their organs and their other characteristics of plant. We can easily notice the differences in the shape and height of a plants in our surrounding. It is easy to classify the plants on the basis of this observation. Criteria for classification. There are various varieties of plants and animals in our surrounding. The credit of classification of plants goes to Carolus Linnaeus. The similarities, difference, and varieties are the criteria of classification. Criteria for classification of plants according to the shape and height of the stem. Tree, shrubs, herbs, creepers. According to the cycle of the plant. Plants annual, biennial and perennial. According to the nature of flowering or non-flowering plant, that is, bearing flower, never bear flowers. Tree. Some plants grow tall. Their stem or trunk is hard and strong. They have branches at some height above the ground. They bear flowers and fruit for many years. Such plants are called trees. Trees are tall, big and perennial. That is, they live for many years. Shrub. Some plants grow close to the ground. They give out branches very close to the ground. They are shorter and smaller than trees, but they have a thick and hard stem. The oleander, hibiscus, lantana and rose are shrubs that may grow up to 2 or 3 meters. Herbs. Herbs grow 1 to 1.5 meters tall. The stem of herbs are green and are quite flexible as compared to those of trees and bushes. Herbs may live for a few months or up to 2 years. Vines. Some vines need vertical support for growing while some others spreads on the ground. Climbers like the money plant have aerial roots. Have you seen the cucumber tendrils that look like a spring? Of what use could they be? Touch the stem of any vines. What do you feel? Stem of a creeper is very flexible, soft and green. It grows rapidly with the help of a support. Life cycles of plants are classified as annuals, biennials and perennials. The life cycle of plants like jawar, sunflower is completed in 1 year. These plants are called annuals. The life cycle of plants like the carrot, beetroot is of 2 years. They are called biennials. Shrubs like the hibiscus, oleander and trees like mango and gulmohar live for several years and bear flowers and fruit. They are called perennials. According to the period of life cycle, plants are classified as annuals, biennials and perennials. Flowering plants and non-flowering plants. Plants that bear flowers are called flowering plants, while the plants that never bear flowers are called non-flowering plants. Non-flowering plants may not have organs like roots, stems and leaves. Do you know the world's largest flower is found in Indonesia? The diameter of the flower of plant Rafflesia arnoldi is about 1 meter. The world's smallest flower is of the plant called Wolffia or duckweed. Its diameter is as small as 0.5 mm. Next video we are going to study about diversity and classification in animals. Thank you.